Assalamu alaikum all and a very good morning. I am your teacher Ms. Jazwa Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. This is your maths recorded lecture and the chapter that we have discussed before is subtraction up to 10,000, and this video is all about that we are going to do some copy work. So as you all know, and I have told you as well, that this is your math subtraction chapters copy work. So what are you waiting for? Just take out your maths copy. I am counting to 5 for you all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. I know you all are sitting with your copies, so let's just move to the next slide. And you know, after next slide what will come? Yes, the index. You all know that we started off our new chapter with index, and copywork obviously starts from a new index. So here is a little bit of index that we are going to do. Is first you have to write the chapter name, chapter subtraction up to 10,000, and after that 10, 17, 9, 2020 brush up exercise 2 page 30. We are going to solve brush up exercise that is mentioned in your chapter page 30. We are going to solve that because that exercise was kind of a copywork exercise, so I decided to start it off with that. So after this we are going to move to the next slide. I know you all are doing your work very properly, but you know the rule, you have to sharpen your pencil properly before starting off your new work. So your pencil should be sharp, your blue color pencil should be sharp, so that we can start our new copy work, that is chapter subtraction up to 10,000. 10 serial number 17, 9, 20, 20 brush up exercise 2 page 30. Now you know that starting off a new chapter requires a title page, so subtraction up to 10,000 title page is very compulsory. You all you need to do is just write the name of the chapter. If you want to just make kind of some symbols or do your kind of creativity, you can do that as well. It's all up to you, but don't overdo it. Okay, I'm moving on to the next one. You can just pause this video and make your title page in peace. Smart vocabulary. Before starting off our new chapter, we will just write smart vocabulary. First, you will write date over here, that is the left hand side, and CW on the right hand side. So here are some set of words that we are going to use as to see that how many words are going to describe that minus subtraction sign. This smart vocabulary actually helps us in most of the word problems. So this one is minus, 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 left, 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 take, take, away, away, less, 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 subtract, 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 reduce, reduce, decrease, decrease, how, many, and more, more, how many more. So these words like minus, left, take away, less, subtract, reduce, decrease, how many more, they all are used for subtraction purposes. These all are used if you see any of these words in any word problem, so it means that they are subtraction son. So all you have to do is just first you will write the smart vocabulary. After making your title page, you can just pause this video and you can just write the smart vocabulary. I am moving on to the next one, that is the main part of our work, that is exercise number 2. The topic is brush up page 30. All you need to write is from a new page you will start this work. Topic brush up page 30, CW here and HW on the left hand, date on the left hand side. Date should be mentioned in each and every new page where you are starting off a new work. So that is very important. Question number 2 is find the difference between each of the following pairs of numbers. All we have to do just find the difference. Now the term difference if here is referring as like it's referring us as that we have to compare two numbers. And by comparing two numbers means it is a subtraction. We have to do the subtraction of these sums. As you can see, this is actually written as horizontal way, but you aren't aware and you are used to do in this way. So how we are going to do? Yes. Similarly, like we did in our addition sum, we are going to solve this as well. We will just write 3645 22 here like this. Thousands, H and TO are very important to mention because this makes our sums to solve it more properly and easy way. So 3645 minus 22. How we are going to minus? Simply all of the upward numbers are bigger numbers and the numbers that are mentioned downwards are smallest numbers. So we don't need to carry in any word. Like 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 and 3 will be just mentioned like here because it doesn't need any subtraction or carrying or borrowing thing. So our total answer is 3622. Isn't it easy? This one is very easy and these exercises are not that difficult, but soon as we are moving on to the next part of it, we are going to learn about carrying numbers as well. It's not that difficult, it's pretty easy and you will love to do and you will enjoy doing it. Once you enjoy doing maths, there is no coming back. So just do the maths like you are enjoying it, okay? Moving on to the second one. B. 4854 and 642. How we are going to minus it is, here also the upward numbers are bigger number and need to mention that they are smaller numbers. So starting off from the bigger number means 4 minus 2 is obviously 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2 and 4 is mentioned like here because there is no number mentioned over here. So here's your full answer. All can you do is just open your 4 fingers and decrease 2 numbers from it. So it means 2 fingers are left. That means 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 fingers open, close 4 and obviously 1 finger is left. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And opens 8 fingers again and just close 6. So it means 8 minus 6 is 2. And there's no number beneath 4. So that means 4 will be mentioned like as it is. So the answer you got is 4212. Isn't it easy? Again, there is no carrying sum. Let's just move to the next one and see if it is or not. This one is the one in which we have to carry the numbers. So let's just see what the question is. 3972 and 296. So that's what our question is. We have to subtract these two numbers. 3872. As you can see that I have already mentioned and I have already carried the numbers, but for your easiness I will explain it to you once again. As you can see that the number 7 over here and 2 are smaller number than 9 and 6. So all we have to do, we just have to cut it to get it more. So the bigger number here was 9. We cut 9, it became 8. After that we gave it 1, it becomes 17. When we give one carry number, the next number and first number just combines together and it makes 2-digit number, that is 17 it made. And but we have to give it to the next one, that is 2, because 2 can't be minus from 6. So that's why we cut it, it becomes 16, and then when it goes to over here it becomes 12. Now open your 12 fingers and deduct 6 numbers. Let's see what you got it. And after doing that, just keep the 16 in your mind and deduct 9 from it. Let's just see what the answer you will get after that. And 8 minus 2, you have to do the 8 minus 2 and 3 will be written as it is. Why? Because 3 is, there is no number beneath 3. So the answer we get is 3676. So that's the total answer that we got actually, and that's, I think your calculation is just perfect with mine and it matched it with mine. So let's just hope that you all counted very well. Let's just move to the next one. D. 2967. You all need to write it very properly and neat and cleanly. After writing this number, you just leave one line and then write it like this, because it makes work more clear and visually looking good, as maths copy requires very neatness and cleanliness, and I love those students who maintain their copy pretty well. So the next one is 2967, 1425. Now it's very pretty easy. Why? Because there's all above number mentioned are bigger numbers, and then beneath it are the smallest numbers, so we do not need to carry any numbers. Let's just open 7 fingers and deduct 5 from it. The answer we will get is 2. After that, move to the tens column and just open 6 fingers of yours and deduct 2 from it. Let's just see what the answer you have got. It must be 4. Yes. And 9 minus 4 is 5, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's the answer we got. That is 1542. I know you all are doing with me, and your answers are just like mine, the perfect and correct answers. Let's just move to the next one. Yes, 3570 and 330. This one is also easy. Starting off from the ones column, 1 by 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3, open 7 fingers, deduct 3, you will get 4. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 will be mentioned over here like this. So the answer we get is 3240. F. This one is also easy. There's not much that of a boring question in this one, but another exercise that is the next exercise that's mentioned on page number 32 is being about to solve by yourself. You are going to do that. Why? Because leaders need to see that how much students does all of the work without the help of a teacher. So this one is F. 2561. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 2 and 5 just be mentioned like this. Why? Because there was no number beneath it, so we will simply copy it down like this. So the answer we got is 2530. Alright students, this was just the end of our copy work of page number 30's build up exercise and brush up exercise, and we did all of the work. Only one carrying question was over here. You have done carrying before, but we haven't solved it in copy like that. All you have to do, if there's someone problem and you are confusing yourself, you can just simply what you can do, you can just simply do it on the working column. You can just make a rough working column in your rough copy and do his sums, solve all the sums over there, and you can just write the answer over here. So let's just chit chat or just talk a little bit about how you all are doing, and I really love all of the responses and all of the love that you all gave me in our live sessions. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. You all are very good and creative in your own way, and I really do love those who participate in all these sessions, and I just can't wait to meet you all in person as well. Till then, take care of yourself, you all. Allah Hafiz.